Greetings from Truckee, California. We're in the mountains today at Donner Memorial State Park. I sure love the pine trees up here. We are here in nice weather. It's going to be 75 degrees today. We're here bright and early, even before the visitor center opened up, so we'll definitely do that. But for now, we're just kind of poking around. I did a little geocaching, and we're going to hang out for a bit in this beautiful state park. As a reminder, this is near Donner Pass, and of course Donner Pass is famous for the Donner Party and everything they went through as pioneers. There is a memorial to them. I'll get closer. This sign kind of sums it up. It's a monument to the pioneer families, the immigrants who followed the Truckee River route into California. There's a nature trail over here, and I'm going to take that as well. It is such a treat to be up here when there's no snow and ice and freezing cold weather. Not that all those things aren't great, you know, when you're ready for them, or if you want to do some skiing, but golly, it's so pretty right now, and the air is fresh. Mountain air. Love it. There are many trails here, and some go by Donner Lake, so I hope to get over there later to see Donner Lake. Right now, it's actually hard to choose which trail to take and what sights to see. Lee and I have already driven through the 3 campgrounds here so that we get a better idea for the future of where to camp. And I want to say, those campgrounds are beautiful. They're clean, they're spacious, there's lots of trees and big rocks. Definitely coming back here. Speaking of big rocks, this one on the nature trail has a plaque, and it's the names of the Donner Party. Those names are divided on this plaque into a group of those who perished in that dreadful scene of 1846 and 1847, and the names of who survived. I'm sure most of you know the story of the Donner Party, that trip, that infamous trip that resulted in cannibalism because of the dire circumstances they faced when crossing Donner Pass. The visitor center and museum will be opening shortly, so I'm going to head back there. Okay, let's go look at Donner Lake. This is the marina, and it's kind of a beach club where you can launch your boat or put in a kayak or take some kind of board. Yeah, but you just have to see how beautiful Donner Lake is. This is a very big lake, and just look at those beautiful mountains in the background. Gorgeous day. I'll be down to a t-shirt here in just a few minutes. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Donner Lake, so beautiful. I would love to throw in a kayak right about now. Well, renting a kayak might not be in the plan today because we've got these electric bikes for rent as well. And the trails here are phenomenal. So stay tuned for an electric bike ride. Let's take a little walk down the Truckee River Legacy Trail. This beautiful trail goes, I think, about 9 miles. And right now it's paved. I think it's paved all the way because this is a biking trail as well as a pedestrian trail. Here's one of the signs, Legacy Trail, yield to people if you're on a bicycle, no motor vehicles, and dogs on leashes. Love these big trees, lots of shade. Today is heavenly, just a perfect day for this. Okay, we're gonna meander about this Legacy Trail and wait for Lee to catch up. He's gonna be on an e-bike. There's the train going right through town. So down below is the Truckee River. We'll see a lot more of that as we continue down the trail. This is such a cute town with such great walking paths and bike paths. In the wintertime, there's winter sports. Not going to think about that right now, though. I'm loving the summer. Here's a nice spot. These steps lead you down to a really nice picnic area right on the river. The views here just don't quit. That is, if you like trees and mountains and rushing rivers. Gosh. I feel very blessed and very lucky to be here today. Here's the river view from the bridge. And here's Lee. And there he goes. I rode one yesterday and it was totally fun. I'll have to put some pictures up here of our ride together. And today I thought I needed some physical exercise. There's a bike. So I decided to do some walking instead today. But Lee's back on that electric bike. He loves them. The only thing is we miss our own electrical bikes. You know, they're set up the way we want them. So next time we come up here, we're bringing ours. Here he comes. Had to get a shot down here, right at the river's edge. So pretty. How wonderful to have this river running right through your town if you lived here. Okay, we're heading back. I mean, we could do this all day, but we have other plans too. Okay, folks. Gonna cut off the video now. Concentrate on some deep breathing and just getting in my steps. This is such beautiful country. So with this look at the plaque of the Truckee River Legacy Trail, and Lee on the bike, and the river down below, and the town of Truckee behind the beautiful trees. I hate to head back, but that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.